Good day everyone and welcome back to Money Packet Academy. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to connect your Metamask wallet or Trust wallet and OKX wallet to your Avive mining app, which is the second phase of the KYC. Alright, so all you need to do is to make sure you check the banners at the top over here after getting your receiver's contract address either on OKX exchange, Metamask or Trust wallet. You just have to come here and click on that of the banner which is Avive KYC phase 2. Just click on it and paste your withdrawal address over there. Make sure you select that of wallet over there. Do not select OKX UID over there, but if you want to use that of the OKX exchange, you just have to click on the OKX UID and you are good to go. All right, so I'm going to quickly guide you, if you are not using OKX exchange, how to get your receiver's contract address on Metamask or Trust wallet.
Remember, if today is your first time visiting my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first person to get it.
Alright, so for you to be able to get your receiver's contract address for Avive token, you have to come to your Metamask wallet. Alright, so if you are not having Metamask, just make sure you go to Play Store or App Store and download the Metamask wallet. After downloading, make sure you install and create a new wallet, or if you're having an old wallet, you can import the seed phrase and you have this interface. So for us to be able to link our receiver's contract address to the Avive mining app, when you come here, remember Avive does all their things on the Arbitrum 1 network. So when you come here, just make sure you click on this Ethereum mainnet where you have the opportunity to select the Arbitrum 1 network. Okay, so just make sure you click on it. And after clicking on it, just make sure you scroll down a little bit, or make sure you add network. If it's not part of your networks, just make sure you click on add network, and it will give you the opportunity to add Arbitrum 1 network to your Trust or your Metamask wallet. So when you come here, you can see Arbitrum 1 is already here. All you need to do is just to click on add and it will add it for you. So click on add and it will add Arbitrum 1. Just make sure you approve the quest over here. So click on approve and switch to network. All right, so after clicking on approve and switch to network, it will give you this interface. Just make sure you click on got it and you are good to go. So now we are on the Arbitrum 1 network. Okay, you have come to the Arbitrum 1 network. Here is what you need to do. When you come here, we need to import the Avive token to our Metamask wallet on the Arbitrum 1 network. So here we are on the Arbitrum 1 network over here. So if we want to import the Avive token to Arbitrum 1 network on our Metamask, we have to come to this place where it is written import token and click on import token. So when you come to import token, this is what you need to do. You have to paste the Avive address over here, the contract address over here. So after pasting the contract address, it will help us to import the token. So let me paste in the contract address of Avive over here. Okay, so after pasting the contract address of the Avive token over here, just leave it and it will fill in the remaining space for you. For you to be able to have access to the contract address, I've left the contract address in my WhatsApp page, so make sure you join my WhatsApp page and you have access to the contract address over there. Afterwards, make sure you come to the down here and click on the import over here to import the Avive token for you. So let me click on import. After clicking on import, just wait for some seconds and it will import your token for you. Token imported successfully. So this is now where we can see our Avive token on Metamask. All right, so we have now imported the Avive token to our Metamask wallet. So when you come here, this is what you need to do. Just make sure you click on the Avive token over here. So after clicking on it, scroll down a little bit. All right, so after scrolling down, just click on receive. We want to receive the Avive token. Okay, when the distribution starts, so just click on the receive button over here and copy the address that is written at the down here. Copy this address. Okay, just make sure you copy this address over here. So after copying it, just make sure you go back to your Avive mining app and paste it at where I told you from the beginning of the video, and you are good to go. So this is how you add the Avive token to your Metamask wallet. So now, for those who are not using Metamask, I'll be guiding you on how to get your receiver's contract address on Trust Wallet so that you'll be able to add that receiver's contract address to your Avive mining app. So when you come to Trust Wallet, this is what you need to do. When you come here, we want to import the Avive token to Trust Wallet so that we'll be able to copy the receiver's contract address to Avive mining app so that we'll be able to receive our token when the distribution starts. So all you need to do is to click on the logo at the top over here. We want to add the Avive token. Okay, so click on it. So when we come here, it will give you all these menus. Just make sure you click on the plus button at the top here, and afterwards it will give us the opportunity to add our Avive token. Okay, so we want to add a token. Remember, we are using the Ethereum, the Arbitrum network. Okay, so when you come here, it will give you Ethereum network. Just make sure you change it from Ethereum to Arbitrum. So let's click on it over here, and we have to search for Arbitrum. Okay, so just at the down here, you will see Arbitrum over here, and this is the logo for Arbitrum. So always make sure you take note of the logo for Arbitrum. Okay, so afterwards we'll click on the Arbitrum network so that our transaction or the importation of the Avive token will be very simple. So when you come here, this is where you need to paste your address, contract address. Okay, so copy the contract address from my WhatsApp group and paste it over here. So paste it over here. So after pasting it over here, there's nothing to worry about. Just leave the paste option over there and it will fill the remaining for you. Okay, good. There is nothing to worry yourself about. You can see it has filled the field remaining for me. You can see when it comes to where you have the symbol and where you have the name and the decimal, it has done the filling for me. So all I need to do is just to click on the import button at the down here. All right, so just make sure you click on the import. So after clicking on import, it has been able to import my Avive over here. All right, so this is where we'll be able to get our receiver's contract address. So make sure you click on the receive button over here so that we get the receiver's contract address. So after clicking on the receive over here, just make sure you copy this address. Okay, or you'll be having an address over here. Do not type the address. Just make sure you click on the copy button over here, and it will copy your address, receiver's contract address for Avive on the Trust Wallet for you. Okay, remember this is on the Arbitrum network. Afterwards, just make sure you go back to your Avive mining app and paste it at where it says wallet. All right, but if you want to use OKX exchange, there's nothing to worry about. Just come back to your OKX exchange if you are using OKX exchange. If you wish to use the OKX exchange to do your withdrawal, there's nothing to worry about. Just come to your OKX exchange and make sure you click at this bar over here at the top over there. And after clicking on that bar, it will give you the opportunity to get your OKX UID. Okay, so when you come here, just make sure you click on where it is written. You will see this arrow over here beside your email and where it is written verified. Okay, so afterwards, just make sure you click on it and scroll down a little bit, and you see the OKX UID number over there. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about. Just make sure you click on the copy over there and it will copy your UID address for you. All right, so after you creating your Avive receiver's contract address on Metamask or Trust Wallet, or copying your UID on OKX exchange, just make sure you click on the Avive phase 2 banner that is flipping at the top over here. So after clicking on it, it will bring you to a different interface which will ask you to share to apply. So let's click on share to apply and share the post on X, which is known or previously known as Twitter, and we will be back to proceed with our KYC. So after posting it on Twitter, just come and click on the apply button over here. So let's click on apply and see what to do. So when you come to the apply button over here, you are the one to choose whether you want to use the OKX exchange UID. That is what is written over here. Either you use the OKX UID or you will decide to use that of the wallet option. Okay, so the wallet option is where you have to paste your receiver's contract address from either Trust Wallet or Metamask, as I taught you. Okay, so if you are using Metamask, just make sure you click on the Metamask over here and it will give you the opportunity to paste your Metamask receiver's address over here. Okay, where it's written over here, so it will be reflecting over here. If you have already added your UID to your Avive app, there's nothing to worry about. It will reflect your receiver's contract address from the OKX exchange wallets for you already over here. But if you haven't done that and you select wallet, you have to paste your receiver's contract address over here, either from Trust Wallet or Metamask, and you are good to go. So I have decided to use that of the OKX UID. Okay, so I have to select the UID from OKX. Okay, and scroll down a little bit and let me click on the apply button over here. So after clicking on the apply button over here, it has shown that I have applied for Avive Withdrawal. Okay, so let's click on the apply button. So they are saying that you can only submit your wallet address once. Double check before submitting to avoid any error. So remember, this process is done only once. Okay, so you can recheck the receiver's contract address you have pasted over here to verify and ensure that you have truly selected the right receiver's contract address. Okay, so most times you need to use that of your OKX UID to avoid all issues, or you can use the Metamask or Trust wallet to receive your coin as I told you. Okay, so just click on apply. All right, so I have applied. So they are saying that KYC phase 2 application submitted. So I've submitted my KYC phase 2 to the Avive World core team. All right, so let's be waiting for what will happen next. All right, so distribution will be very soon. In some few days we will start receiving our Avive token. Okay, thank you very much and have a wonderful day. If you are having any question, don't understand anything, just make sure you hit me at the comment section or join my WhatsApp group and I will attend to you. Bye.